Imagine this. You wake up, check your phone, and see headlines screaming, market crash, stocks plummet, your heart races, and you start to wonder, is this the end of my hard earned money? Did you know that during the 2008 financial crisis, the S&P 500 lost nearly 50% of its value, causing millions of investors to panic sell at a loss? Scary, right? But here's the thing. Those who stayed invested saw their portfolios bounce back and grow even more. Now, I get it. The stock market can be really complicated, especially if you're just starting out. And if you're thinking about trading stocks, it is crucial to be cautious. But don't worry, I've made this guide super simple so even beginners will understand what to do when stock prices start to fall. So, what if I told you that a stock market drop might just be the opportunity of a lifetime? Would you believe me? Let's dive in and find out together. A friend of mine, let's call him Dave, he started investing about a year ago. He was super excited, reading all the books, watching all the videos. Everything was going great until, bam, the market took a nosedive. Dave panicked. He didn't know what to do sell, hold, buy more. He was confused. And that's when he called me. And today I'm going to share with you exactly what I told him. Right now, stock prices are falling. And if you're new to investing, it feels like the world is ending. You're probably getting advice from every direction. Sell everything, buy the dip, hold on tight. But what's the right move for you? That's what we're going to explore today. A simple step by step guide on what to do when stock prices fall. Step number one is stay calm and assess your situation. First things first, I want you to breathe. I know this sounds cliche, but it is very crucial. Panic selling is one of the biggest mistakes you can make. Remember, the stock market is like a roller coaster, it has its ups and downs. So before you do anything, assess your situation. Ask yourself, why did I invest in these stocks in the first place? Was it for long term growth? If yes, then this dip might just be a bump on the road. If you invested for a short term gain, then we might need to rethink your strategy. What's your goal with these investments? Take a moment to reflect on that. Step number two, revisit your investment plan. Now that you're calm, let's talk about your investment plan. Wait, do you have one? Now, if not, this is the perfect time to create one. An investment plan is like a roadmap. It helps you navigate through uncertain times. Your plan should outline your financial goals, your risk tolerance, and time horizon. If you're investing for the long term, remind yourself that markets drop. They are a part of the journey. Historically, the market has always recovered, and those who stay the course often come out on top. Step number three, avoid knee jerk reaction. Here's a little secret. The worst time to make a decision is when emotions are running high. Selling your stocks because they are falling might seem like a good idea in the moment, but it's often the worst thing you can do. Think about it this way. Would you sell your house just because the real estate market took a dip? Probably not. The same logic applies to stocks. Don't let fear drive your decision. Step number four, evaluate your portfolio. Next up, take up a closer look at your portfolio. Are your investment diversified? Diversification is key because it helps you to spread your risks. If all your money is tied up in one or two stocks, a market drop can hit you really hard. But if you've got a mix of stocks, bonds, and maybe even some real estate, you're better protected. This is why I always tell people to not put all their eggs in one basket. Now might be a good time to rebalance your portfolio if it is needed. At this point, if you're looking for a channel that shares relatable personal finance videos, this is the time to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Remember to turn on the notification bell. We are eager to welcome you into the family. Now let's move on to step number five, which is consider buying more, but cautiously. Now, here's where things get interesting. When prices fall, stocks are essentially on sale. Remember when Dave called me? I told him this could be your chance to buy quality stocks at a discount. But, and this is a big but, don't just go throwing money at the market. Do your research. Focus on companies with strong fundamentals. Those are the ones that tend to recover well after a dip. Think about it like shopping during a sale. You wouldn't buy just anything because it's cheap, right? You would pick items you actually need and trust, right? Then do the same with stocks. Again, I repeat, buy cautiously. Step number 6, learn from the experience. Every market drop is a learning opportunity. Take note of how you're feeling and how you're reacting. Are you more fearful or more excited? This can tell you a lot about your own risk tolerance and help you make better decisions in the future. Use this experience to become a more resilient investor. Investing isn't just about making money, it's about learning how to manage your emotions and make informed decisions. Step number 7, think long term. Always keep the long term in mind. The stock market is a powerful wealth building tool, but it requires patience and discipline. If you're in it for the long haul, short term drops shouldn't shake you. Keep your eyes on the price and remember why you started investing in the first place. So, I would like to hear from you. How are you handling the market drop? What's your strategy? Let me know in the comments below. Now that you've got a solid game plan for navigating the market downturn, I want to help you take your financial journey even further. Check out my video here titled 5 Millionaire Habits to Boost Your Wealth Fast. It's packed with actionable tips that can help you build wealth no matter what the market is doing. Trust me, you won't want to miss it. Thank you so much for watching, and remember, stay calm, stay informed, and keep your eyes on the long term. Until next time, take care.